Facing the WhatsApp was not able to retrieve the current privacy settings error on your Android phone. This issue often occurs when your app is outdated or incompatible with your device. Don't worry though, there are simple solutions to fix it. Let's dive in and learn how. Solution 1. Update WhatsApp. A backdated app version is usually the biggest cause of this problem. So go to Play Store, search WhatsApp. Now make sure that your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. If you see any updates available, simply update the app. After the update, your problem should be fixed. If it still doesn't get fixed, try the other solutions. Solution 2. Clear WhatsApp cache. Corrupt cache can sometimes cause this issue, so if you clear it, your problem might be fixed. To do this, tap and hold on to the WhatsApp app icon. Now tap the I button or app info. This will take you to your WhatsApp app settings. Now find the option called storage and tap on it. After that, tap clear cache. Then completely close WhatsApp and restart your phone. After the restart, check if this fixed your issue or not. Solution 3. Reinstall WhatsApp. Tap and hold on to the WhatsApp app icon. Now tap on uninstall. After that, confirm the uninstallation. Then go to the Play Store. Search for WhatsApp. Install it from there. After the reinstallation, open WhatsApp with your credentials. And hopefully, this time your problem should be fixed. That's all for fixing the WhatsApp was not able to retrieve current privacy settings error on Android. Hope these tips were helpful. Catch you in the next one.